Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Ahrefs and Ranktracker. So to get started, Ahrefs is one of the most powerful all-in-one SEO tools available. It offers detailed backlink analysis, keyword research, site audit, competitors tracking, and a massive content explorer. Its data is reliable and updated frequently, making it perfect for advanced marketers and SEO agencies who want deep insight into traffic link and ranking. Now, talking about Ranktracker, on the other hand, is on hand-off and more beginner-friendly and also focus on precise rank tracking. It includes essential tools like keyword finder, SERP checker, backlink monitors, and even an AI writers at a much lower price point. It ideal for freelancers and small teams that want a clean SEO toolkit without the high cost of Ahrefs, which shows that Ahrefs is very pricey. And here's the overall verdict about the two platforms. So choose Ahrefs if you need deep enterprise level SEO data, or on the other hand, you can go with Ranktracker if you are on a budget and want a solid rank tracking with helpful add-on. But both platforms worth using depending on your SEO needs and experience level. And that's it. I hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button, like and subscribe for more. Thanks.